Smartphone prices are consistently increasing almost with each new model, whereas flagship models once sold for between $700 to $800, they now easily exceed $1,000. Moreover, the sale price isn't the only cost that's going up. As you may know, flagship smartphones are quite fragile due to their sensitive and often glass-covered front and back. If something happens to them, repair costs can be expensive. While this reality encourages users to safeguard their devices with cases and screen protectors, unexpected accidents can still happen. Recognizing this issue, Apple has surprised its customers by offering a partial solution. The company has significantly lowered repair fees for iPhone 15 Pro models with cracked back glass. Apple specifically worked to make the devices easier to repair and opted for a more reparable internal design. The company particularly redesigned the frame, allowing for the back glass panel to be easily removed from the devices. As expected, repair costs have changed with easy-to-repair design. Apple has updated its US website to reveal the repair fees for the iPhone 15 models. For back glass damage, the company will charge $169 for the iPhone 15 Pro and $199 for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. In contrast, the repair fees for the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max are set at $499 and $549. This means there is a 63.4% decrease in repair costs between the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro models, and a 63.5% decrease between the iPhone 14 Pro Max and iPhone 15 Pro Max. I'm disappointed that this change came a year late, but ultimately, the fact that repairs will now be much cheaper is great news for all of us.